Hello friends, welcome to the video series on interview question for SQL PL SQL developer. In this video, we'll see about what should be your answer for the question, what is subquery and what are all the types of subquery. From an interview point of view, whenever this question is asked, you need to highlight two important points about subquery. That is, the first point is the subquery is a query within another select statement or another SQL query. Sometimes we'll call this as an inner query or a nested query. The second point is the result set returned by the inner query will be used as an input to the outer query, and the outer query will get evaluated and execute and return the result. It's not necessary that the subquery will have only one inner query and one outer query. That it can have like any levels of nesting. So you need to highlight these 2 points. Now let us understand the concept of this subquery with few examples. Suppose if you are asked to write a query to find out the name of the person who is getting a maximum salary. So normally if you are given this data set, normally what we'll do is that first we'll just go through the salary information to find out what is the maximum salary. So in this case, 5,000 is the maximum salary. Once we found out the maximum salary, then we'll query like who is getting this maximum salary. So in this case, the record that contains the 5,000, that is the king. So he is the one who is getting the maximum salary. Typically, if we need to write a query for this, first we'll start with select maximum of salary from employee. This typically will give what is the maximum salary. Then we can write another query to find out who is getting this maximum salary. So in this case, we'll just substitute this value here. And we'll say like select star from employee where salary equal to 5,000. So this just returns the person who is getting the maximum salary. Instead of writing two different select statement, what we can do, we can just write the entire select statement instead of 5,000 here. Something like this. So this is called the subquery. In this case, we are writing a select statement within another select statement. So this will become an inner query and this is the outer query. So first the inner query will get executed and the result will be returned, and the result returned by the inner query will be used as an input by the outer query, and the outer query will get executed. So this is the concept of subquery. Now let us see what are all the types of subquery. So it depends on the number of values returned by the inner query, or depends on the behavior of the inner query. The subquery is majorly classified into 2 types. One is called a non-correlated subquery, or sometimes we'll call this as like a simple subquery. The other one is called a correlated subquery. So the non-correlated subquery or the simple subquery is further divided into single row subquery, multi-row subquery and multi-column subquery. See, these 3 types of subqueries differs in the way how the inner query is returning the result. In case of single row subquery, the inner query will return just one value. So here is an example. So in this, exactly the same example, in this case, the inner query will just return only one value. In case of multi-row subquery, the inner query will return more than one row. So in this case, it just returns multiple row, but it is of one column. So it is just going to return a list of department for that particular location. In case of multi-column subquery, the inner query will return more than one row and in fact more than one column. So this is called multi-column subquery. In all these simple subqueries, the inner query is independent of outer query. That means you can just select only the inner query and execute. So in these cases, the inner queries will just get executed and the result will be used by the outer query. Whereas correlated subquery is little bit different. The inner query is actually dependent on the outer query column. As you can see here, in the inner query, we are actually referring to a column from the outer query. That is the table referred in the outer query. So this is called the correlated subquery. We'll see in detail about all these types of subqueries in the next set of videos. If you learned something new, please like this video, subscribe and stay tuned for new feature videos, interview question, SQL practical question and concept video. If you want any questions to be answered, please drop in the comment section or you can drop to this mail ID. Thanks a lot for watching this video.